I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes.
Today I have a glueless wig install for you guys. These are so popular right now. This is from Nadula hair, and this is the box, everything that comes in it. It comes with a bunch of different wig caps. These are the HD wig caps, a melt band, and just a bunch of little goodies in the box, as well as the wig. We have a 24-inch 5x5 HD lace closure natural curly unit. Comes with the adjustable elastic band and grippies around the wig to hold your wig in place, as well as 2 side combs. I like to wear my hair slicked back in a bun under my wigs. I've been doing this a lot more lately. I just feel like I can take care of my hair a lot better versus cornrows. If you know, you know. You kind of just throw your wig on and just continue on and don't even care about your hair for real. But in the light of Meg Thee Stallion and her hairstyle, as she's been wearing a lot with her curly hair, big, full, voluminous, it's been really popular. It's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut me some bangs in the front and just pretty much frame my face, do somewhat of a wolf cut. I'm cutting the bangs right at eye level and then just cutting the hair on a diagonal just to blend all the hair together pretty much, and so it's not just bangs sitting and then nothing else anywhere else. The hair is really cute on its own, like you don't have to do this. I just wanted to switch it up and make it look a little bit different. I'm a bangs girl. If you haven't seen my 70s bangs tutorial with my regular straight hair that I did, it's kind of like Farrah Fawcett inspired. Go check that out. That hairstyle also is very trendy right now as well. But from that video to this video, I'm a bangs girl, okay? And I just love the way it looks. So that's what I did. I went ahead and cut some bangs in, and I am going to be defining the curls. I'm using water in this bottle. It's just water, and then adding some of my curling mousse from African Pride. I really love that brand. I use it on my natural hair. I use it on my daughter's hair. We both have curly hair, and their products are really good to me. So you guys are just going to see me define my curls and come back when it is dry.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the door say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave. Miss, I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one good step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Are you trying to leave?
As you can see, I did not glue this wig down. I didn't do anything. The blend is really, really good. I did put some of my foundation on this off camera, but this is what it looked like. I did go in with my diffuser and dry everything down after I wet it and put the mousse on. And I am going to be spraying this heat protectant on my hair, which is basically a oil. You can use oil sheen or whatever you want to use. This on curly hair makes you have the wet look. It is discovered. It has been discovered on TikTok, and I cannot stop doing it. So I always spray it on at the end of my curly wig installs so it looks nice and shiny and just juicy. If you guys are new to my channel, my name's Alicia. I post a lot of wig installs, wig tips, hair tips, vlogs, makeup, you know, whatever I feel like posting. The wig comes right off. I don't sleep in my wigs, and it's just an easy little wig that you can wear and take off and put on when you need to go somewhere. I'm a mom, so when I'm not doing my wig installs, I'm getting up, throwing a wig on, and going on about my day. So these glueless wigs are literally perfect for that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.